Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. I just went to the Sephora store today and I wanna say that I don't like at all to shop in the store. But anyway, last minute shopping and I had to go there. There is no time to order something online. But anyway, I went there, and of course when you go to Sephora you cannot go for one thing and come out with at least three. I found there a new kit that Sephora has, and Sephora kids are just calling my name. So of course with that thing I got something else. Also waiting in line, you cannot grab at least one thing, and of course I pick up this one. It's the Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. I tried this one before. It's way more affordable than the L'Occitane one, but it's a great one too. So do I need it? No. I bought this, yeah. Anyway, I got this one, and also I got this full-size perfume for free. This is Tory Burch Bella Azul. I had a Sephora kit with perfumes, and in that kit I got a certificate to pick up a full size to choose a full size perfume for one of those 10 or something like that samples that were in that kit. I don't have that video posted yet, but I will. So far I have the free gift with that kit, and I choose the Tory Burch Barrel Azor, which looks like this. It's a beautiful bottle, and love the lid, very cute. I like this one, smells really nice, and as you know I'm in Tory Burch perfumes later, so I choose this one. I love the blue packaging, and as I said, this one came free. So I stopped there picking things, and then of course I had to get this Sephora Favorites Beauty on the Fly. It's called this kit, and looks like this. It's a $40 kit. The name, as I said, is Beauty on the Fly, and works perfect for me. Is the ultimate travel bag for face, body and hair. So this is the price of this is $40, and the value of this is $168, which I think it's not bad at all. Here are all the products inside this bag, and also they asked me if I want my gifts from Sephora for my birthday. I thought it's kind of late, but of course I said yes, because I'm leaving and I'm not gonna be able to take it with any order. Why not? They had the Glam Glow 2 pieces, probably some mask, because I didn't look close at that and I don't know exactly what was, but was something from Glam Glow. And of course I chose some lipstick, and this one is from Bite. This one looks like this, because last year I was gone out of the country in the same period. I didn't get the free gift, and I don't even have idea what they had last year. But anyway, they asked me and I say yes. So let's see what's in this one, just in case if you have a birthday soon, at least you know what's in this kit. And one of the products that's gonna, okay, finally. So first thing in here is this one. It's Bite, and this one is, we have a lipstick, a lip crayon, and two small samples, a lip balm and a lip scrub. And this one, of course I cheated. I looked at the names before of the video, because there is no way to see, at least for me, to see the print on this one, and I looked with a magnifier before the video, so I know the names. This one is in glaze, is the lip crayon, and this one looks like this. It's a pretty nude. I like the tip of this. And let's see the color of this one. It's very creamy, applies so easy and nice. And here is the shade of this one. And we have also this lipstick, my size, right? And this one is in the shade Chai. Here is the product, and let's see the color of this one. A little bit lighter than the Lip Crayon. And here is the lipstick. They go very well one with each other, of course. And the last thing in this small gift was it's a sample with agave lip balm and agave lip scrub, those two. So this is one of the two Sephora birthday gifts. I chose this one, and let's go ahead and see what's in this travel. What's the name of this? The Ultimate Travel Bag from Sephora. Here is the bag, pink and clear, transparent actually. And let's see what we have in this one. Seems to be full with products. I don't know exactly how many items are here. So far I see one, I think around 12 products. So we'll see what are them. The first thing in here is the Sol de Janeiro, and this is the well-known Brazilian Bam Bam cream, or Boom Boom, whatever how you wanna call it. A lovely cream, which is always in my collection, in a small or a full size, in a travel size or the full size. Beautiful cream. Then we have Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. It's a good size also. Is this one right here. I heard about Boscia masks, but I never tried them. Then we have Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, and this one is from Supergoop. For a short trip, this kit is gonna be well. I think this kit is well worth it. For me, probably for my trip, I will need about 10 of this. But anyway, I saw this one, I wanted to show you, and you decide if it's worth it or not. Even for a nice weekend, let's take it like that. Then we have in here 2 hair products, and those are from Alterna. This is Caviar Anti-Aging Conditioner, Moisture Conditioner, and Shampoo. Good sizes also, and good products. Then we have this little cute guy, still from Boscia, and this one is 2-part gel and cream deep hydrating moisturizer. Trying to see any details here, I don't see, but I hope you can see the shape of this. It's very cute and looks very interesting inside. I hope you can see the moisturizer is in the middle, and all around it's a clear gel. It doesn't seem to have any fragrance, but it's really cute. So we'll try this and we'll see how that is. Then we have a well-known product. This is Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. We have also Origins, and this is a Frothy Face Wash. A good size also. We have Amore Pacific. This is the essential cream fluid. We have Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. Is this little guy here. We have in here from whom beauty starts from within, 7 night supply is the melatonin and B6. I used to take those, but since I'm using the deep pillow spray, I never took another one. So as far I have the deep pillow spray, I don't need those, although they work very well. So the last two items in here are in this bubble. Oops, I love to do that. Okay, this is not with intention, but I have to open this one, and I don't have anything closed. Okay, finally. Those are glass. The packaging is from glass. One of them is CO Sandy Riley Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Is this one right here. It's a good size. And also we have in here from Caudalie is the Beauty Elixir. Is this one right here. Let me know what do you think about this kit. It is $40. I will leave the link down below. The lady there told me that it's a very fresh one. They just got this today in the store. I will check online to see if it's there, and if I'll find it, I will leave the link down below. Anyway, so far I like the Sephora Favorites travel kit, whatever is the name of this one, Beauty on the Fly, as all of them that they had before. So far we have the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. We have great brands as usual in Sephora kits. We have Sandy Riley Brightening Serum. We have melatonin and B6. This is a 7-day supply. We have the shampoo and conditioner from Alterna.